The Art of Effective Lead Generation. Part 3 of 3. How to create lead generation that converts leads into sales opportunities. If you are like most business owners, then you know that generating new leads is key to your success. However, converting those leads into sales opportunities can be a challenge. First, it is important to understand who qualifies as a lead for conversion. A lead that is qualified means that the person filling out the form has an interest in your product or service and is ready to take the next step. It is also important to note that not all leads are created equal, and some may require more effort than others to convert. One way to increase the odds of converting a lead is to use effective lead generation tools. These tools can help you identify and capture potential leads before they become lost in the noise of your online marketing efforts. Other tips for converting leads include providing valuable content, offering free samples or consultations, and following up with potential customers regularly. You would also need to invest in digital advertising as well, or clients would ignore your social media posts or your content marketing efforts. It's best to invest in a solution that is going to create value for the client and the business owner. This is not an easy job, but it can be done quite effectively by using the right systems and tactics. The biggest challenge is that most people use these lists for a small number of clients, making the cost per lead quickly escalate. And those clients may not be very large scale or high dollar. That said, it's still definitely worth it if you have a proven track record and you can scale up your efforts as necessary to get a return on investment, ROI. Conclusion. In today's market, there are countless lead generation options available to businesses of all sizes. By understanding how lead generation works and what makes a good leader, you can start designing your own system that helps you convert leads into sales opportunities. And don't forget to train your team on how to use your lead generation system, as it is crucial if you want them to make the most of it. Otherwise, they might just end up sending tons of leads straight into the trash can. Please subscribe for more videos on business topics or visit otrim.ai/mycompletebusiness.